Yes, I'm gonna take it out of the box. While I take it out
Nail
of the box, why don't you go look at those?
polishes.
Look, there's a couple more.
They're
They're
hair.
hair ties.
No, they're not. It's
Nope.
hair color.
There's a couple
Hair
more.
color.
Whoa!
Oh no, it's
Can I-
hair
I'm
color?
gonna try one on.
What?
Okay, whoa.
Wait, but mommy can help you
Which
with
color
that.
do you want?
You have
Can
pink
you help me open?
and purple.
Pink or
and
purple or blue?
Present. It's from Santa.
Oh.
Yeah.
This is cute.
Uh-huh.
Can you make sure she doesn't roll
Washes
over
out.
for a second?
Yep. Keep going.
Finola, what's your favorite?
It's a Coco jumper.
Bow and arrow.
Your bow and arrow
And that's my robe.
and your robe.
Wow.
Oh, I'm glad.
And my hair.
And your hair stuff.
Your choo-choo.
Here, baby.